Hello, my class 9 students. Welcome to today's session. This is Sana Khan, your math master teacher from Vedantu 9th and 10th English channel. So, guys, today we are here with NCERT exercise 4.3 of the chapter linear equations in two variables. So, we have already completed the lecture session of this chapter, right? And if you have not yet seen the lecture session, then a link is provided in the description of this video. You can go watch it out for the explanation of all the concepts. All right. And today we will be solving all the NCERT question. Each and every NCERT exercise question will be solved here with entire explanation. All right. So if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you enjoy today's video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Okay, Bachabari. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, hi Jyotsna. Good evening. Hi Sudhiksha. Hi Grishu. Good evening, Bacho. Okay, so let's begin the class. Now, the first question of NCERT exercise 4.3 is question number 1. Drawing the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variable. That means your equations are given, you have to draw the graph. Now, how many of you know how to draw the graph? Raise your hands. Yes. Do you know how to draw the graph of any linear equation in two variables? Jyotsna beta, welcome to our channel. Hi Pramila. Yes, yes, yes. So Deeksha knows it. Very good. Awesome. Now, very good, Grishu. So, how do we do it? Let us take an example first. So, the question number 1 is x plus y is equal to 4. Now, if we want to plot the graph, we need to know the coordinates of at least 3 to 4 points on it, right? So how we will find out the coordinate? If I have the equation x plus y is equal to 4, first of all, I will substitute the value of x. I will get the value of y correspondingly. For example, if x is equal to 1, what will be the value of y? Y will be 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. When x is 2, what will be y? Y will be 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. When x is 3, what will be y? Y will be 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. And when x is 4, y will be equal to 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Like this, I have got the coordinates of 4 points on the line, right? So first of all, I will get the coordinates. Try to make sure to get at least 3 coordinates, है ना? At least 3 point. Yes, ज्योत्सना बेटा 4.1 and 4.2 हो चुका है. आपको इस चैनल पे उसका लिंक और वीडियो मिल जाएगा, right? So we have the coordinates of all the points, right? Now let's start plotting them. So first of all, I will draw the x-axis, then I will draw the y-axis, then I will mark the points on the axis 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly on the y-axis 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After marking the points, what will I do? I will, after making the axis, I will mark the point. So 0, 4 will lie on the y-axis. 1, 3 is x value 1, y value 3. Similarly, 2, 2 and 4, 0. 4 points हमने plot किए. After that, we will draw a straight line joining the points and hence our graph is obtained, right? Hi Sanjeev. So like this, it is very simple. First, you find out the coordinates of 3 or 4 points. Then you plot the points. And after that, get the straight line AB by joining them. And that is the graph of your line. Okay. Next, similarly, if I have a linear equation x minus y is equal to 2. So, now since it is given, this is the equation. So, y will be x minus 2. Now for different values of x, you obtain the value of y. So when x is 0, y is minus 2. When x is 1, y is minus 1. When x is 2, y is 0. Now once you have got the coordinates of the points, start plotting them. So one by one, we will plot the points, and then when we join them, we get a straight line, and that is the linear equation graph. Simple or not? Very simple, right? Yes, it is very very simple. Similarly, y is equal to 3x. बहुत simple है. Y will be 3 into 1 when x is 1. That is 3. Similarly, y will be 3 into 2, 6. Y will be 3 into 3, 9. For corresponding value of x. X is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now we are putting the points on the coordinate system, joining them to form the graph. Similarly, for this equation also, we will do just like that. Simple. Okay. Now question number 2. It says that give the equation of two lines passing through 2, 14, and how many more such lines are there. So it is saying that when the value of x is 2, the value of y is 14. How is this possible? Very simple. If my equation is y is equal to 7x, then what will I get? When x is 2, 7 2s are 14, y will be 14, right? So therefore, this equation is having these coordinates as the solution. Now, can you form one similar situation like this? क्या आप लोग ऐसा ही एक और इक्वेशन बना सकते हैं? Can you guys form one equation? I am saying that x value is 2, y value is 14. Can you form an equation for this? Suppose I am forming the equation x into 7 is equal to y. ऐसे ही आप एक इक्वेशन बनाओ. Very simple. For example, you can write that y is equal to x plus 12. ये भी तो एक इक्वेशन बन जाएगा, है ना? Very nice, Sudiksha. X plus y is 16. Wonderful. Very good, Pragati. Absolutely right. So like this, one more equation we can form. X plus y is equal to 16. So question में क्या पूछा है? In the question they are asking you two lines passing through this. So this is our first line, this is our second line, this is our third line. Now the question is asking how many more such lines are possible? ऐसे और कितने lines बन सकते हैं? इसका आंसर क्या होगा? What will be the answer of that question? Hi Mithilesh. How many more such lines are possible? Infinite. Absolutely right. Because अगर मेरे पास एक point है 2, 14, then how many lines can be formed? Oh, sorry. So I can form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, infinitely many lines. Right, guys? Now, let's move on to question number 3. If the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of this equation, find the value of A. Such an easy question. Question ने बोल रहा है 3, 4 is the solution of this equation. तो अगर ये solution है तो क्या होगा? If this is the solution, then after putting the value of x and y, LHS will become equal to RHS, है ना? So put the values and get the value of A. Come on. Ma'am, how to check the syllabus? Syllabus of what, Angel? किसका syllabus? Hi, Kanaya. 0? ग्रीशु का आंसर 0 हो रहा है. व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? यस, कैन एनीबडी सॉल्व दिस एंड टेल मी द वैल्यू ऑफ ए? वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. x का वैल्यू 3 दिया है, y का वैल्यू 4 दिया है. ठीक है. 9th क्लास का सिलेबस कौन से एग्जाम के लिए? एनुअल एग्जाम के लिए. तो सिलेबस तो आपको सीबीएसई की वेबसाइट पे मिल जाएगा, और इस चैनल पे एक वीडियो भी है एंजल बेटा. मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था फाइनल सिलेबस ऑफ क्लास 9, आप वो देख लेना. ठीक है. Let us put the value. So y का वैल्यू है 4, x का वैल्यू है 3. So we have 3y is equal to ax plus 7. 3 into 4 is equal to a into 3 plus 7. 4 3s are 12 is equal to 3a plus 7. 12 minus 7 is equal to 3a. 12 minus 7 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 is equal to 3a. So what is the value of a? 5 by 3. Absolutely right. So 3a is equal to 5. So a will be 5 by 3. बस यही करना था, कुछ भी नहीं था इस क्वेश्चन में. It is a very simple question. It is asking you to substitute the value of y, substitute the value of x, and get the value of a. All right. Awesome. Next question. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is 8 rupees, and for the subsequent distance, it is 5 rupees per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as y rupees, write a linear equation for this information. Okay, let's see. फिर से पढ़ते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8. For the subsequent distance, it is 5 rupee per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer, the total fare as y rupee, write the linear equation. So question ये कह रहा है कि अगर total x किलोमीटर ट्रैवल किया है, ठीक है, so इस x किलोमीटर में फर्स्ट किलोमीटर के लिए वी आर चार्जिंग यू 8 रुपी. देन रिमेनिंग x माइनस 1 किलोमीटर के लिए वी आर चार्जिंग यू 5 इंटू एक्स माइनस 1 रुपीज, क्योंकि 5 रुपी पर किलोमीटर. सो x माइनस 1 किलोमीटर के लिए 5 इंटू एक्स माइनस 1. समझ में आया? फर्स्ट किलोमीटर के लिए 8 रुपीज, रिमेनिंग किलोमीटर के लिए 5 रुपी पर किलोमीटर. सो ये हो गया हमारा टोटल मनी. क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है? द टोटल फेयर इज y रुपीज. दैट मीन्स वी आर पेइंग y रुपीज एज 8 रुपी प्लस 5 इंटू एक्स माइनस 1. सो ये हो गया हमारा टोटल फेयर. पहले किलोमीटर के लिए 8 रुपए, बाकी x माइनस 1 किलोमीटर के लिए 5 रुपीज पर किलोमीटर. ठीक है. आरएस का चैप्टर 2 एक्सरसाइज 2C एंड 2D लाइव क्लास में करा सकती है क्या? ओह माय गॉड ज्योत्सना, आई विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई. So what is the equation form? Y is equal to 8 plus 5x minus 5. So y is equal to 8 minus 5 is 3. So 5x plus 3. ये बन गया हमारा इक्वेशन. Y is equal to 5x plus 3. ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन में बोला है plot the graph. So for plotting the graph, first we will get the coordinates of all the points. We will plot the points on the graph, join the points to form the graph, just like question number 1 of this exercise. Okay? Hi Chitra. Awesome. Question number 5. From the choices given below, choose the equation whose graphs are given. Oh, interesting question. क्वेश्चन में ये बोला है कि आपको ग्राफ हमने पहले से दे दिया है, आपको ये बताना है कि इनमें से कौन सा इक्वेशन इन ग्राफ को फॉलो करेगा. अब ये कैसे पता चलेगा? हाय कन्हैया. सो ये पता करने के लिए यू हैव टू फाइंड सॉल्यूशंस. तो जैसे आपको सॉल्यूशन दिया है ना, -1, 1, 0, 0, 1, -1, तो आप इन सॉल्यूशंस को इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट करके देखो. जैसे कि Suppose our equation is x plus y is equal to 0. So I will put the values minus 1 comma 1. Is left hand side equal to right hand side? Yes. 1 comma minus 1. Left hand side is equal to right hand side? Yes. So like this I will find out कि हाँ इस equation से I am able to get my equation. ठीक है. Similarly, for the second figure, I have the point 0, 2, 2, 0, minus 1, 3. From these 3 points, I am able to recognize that y is equal to minus x plus 2 should be my equation. ठीक है? Ma'am, 4.3 is quadratic equation. 4.3 is quadratic equation. Is that so? No? I think linear equation is fourth exercise, na? Yes, absolutely right, Kanhaiya. Eh? Acha, okay, sorry. This is the question. I thought question kahan chala gaya. So my question is, if the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, express this in the form of an equation in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 units. Also read the graph, the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 units and 0 units. So it is saying that work done by a constant force यानी work is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body. Express this in the form of an equation in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 units. So question में क्या बोला है कि आपका जो वर्क डन है वो डिस्टेंस पे डिपेंडेंट है बट वो जो वर्क हो रहा है वो फोर्स की वजह से हो रहा है. तो यहाँ पे एक ट्रिकी पार्ट इन्वॉल्व है और वो ट्रिकी पार्ट ये है वर्क का फॉर्मूला इज फोर्स इनटू डिस्टेंस. फोर्स इनटू डिस्टेंस. नाउ क्वेश्चन में दिया है फोर्स जो है वो हमेशा 5 यूनिट का ही लगाया जाता है. डिस्टेंस और वर्क जो है वो चेंज होता है. तो ये बन गया हमारा इक्वेशन. यस, like this we have formed the equation and now we will simply find the coordinates of the equation to plot the graph. क्योंकि क्वेश्चन ने बोला है ग्राफ प्लॉट करिए, तो ग्राफ प्लॉट कर लिया. लेकिन ग्राफ प्लॉट करने के बाद इट इज आस्किंग यू what is the work done when the distance traveled is 2 units. यानी जब d का वैल्यू 2 है तो वर्क का वैल्यू कितना होगा 5 इंटू 2 इज इक्वल टू 10. ये तो आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं पर उसने बोला है ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए. So what will you do when x is 2, y is 10 and it can be represented like this point. Okay. Similarly, it is saying when distance traveled is 0, that is x is 0. So what will be the value of y? Y will be again 0. So 0 comma 0 will be the answer of second one. Understood? Okay, that's how we will solve it. Next question. Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9 of a school, together contributed rupees 100 towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victim. Write a linear equation that satisfies this data. You may take their contribution as x and y and draw the same. Together, what an easy question. So it is saying that यामिनी ने x रुपीज डोनेट किया, फातिमा ने y रुपीज डोनेट किया एंड टोटल उन्होंने 100 रुपीज डोनेट किया है. दिस इज द इक्वेशन. ये तो क्लास 6 का बच्चा भी लिख लेगा. नाउ यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द ग्राफ. सो सिंपल. जब x का वैल्यू 1 है तो y का वैल्यू 99 होगा, है ना. जब x का वैल्यू, तो अब देखो 1 और 99 में बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस होता है तो बहुत बड़ा ग्राफ बनाना पड़ जाएगा. So rather than making such a big scale, what we can do is we can write it like this. When x is 50, y is 50. When x is 49, y is 51. When x is 51, y is 49. So इससे आपका ग्राफ जो है वो छोटा बनेगा और आसपास की वैल्यू से आप ड्रॉ कर पाओगे. राइट? हाय लवीशा. हेलो लवीशा. हाय अनम. नॉट इग्नोरिंग यू. बच्चे मैं आपका आंसर कॉन्स्टेंटली देख रही थी. वेरी गुड. गुड गोइंग. ओके. So this is how we will plot the graph. आपने अगर आप चाहो तो you can choose a scale of 50, 100, 150, 200, 250 like this. Absolutely your wish. And then you can plot the points like this: 0, 100, 50, 50, 100, 0, and you are done. All right. And the last question of this exercise is, in countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. Draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. यानी कि y is equal to 9 by 5x plus 32. ये बन गया हमारा equation. Now the question is saying, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? Very simple. जब x का वैल्यू 30 है तो y का वैल्यू क्या होगा? जल्दी से कैलकुलेट करके बताओ बच्चों. Yes, curious boy, absolutely right. Hi Ritu, welcome to the class. Hi Krati, good evening. So what can we do? So very simple. Let us put the value of x as 30 in the equation. तो जैसे ही हम x का value 30 put करेंगे, we will get अच्छा हाँ, सबसे पहले तो हमें ग्राफ बनाने बोला था, तो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज द ग्राफ. तो ये हमने ग्राफ बना लिया. Then it is saying when Celsius is 30, so 9 by 5 into 30 plus 32. 5 and the 5, 5 6 to 30, 9 6 are 54, 54 plus 32 is 86. तो ये आ गया 86. When Fahrenheit is 95, तो y की जगह 95 पुट करो और x का वैल्यू निकाल लो. Like this you can solve this question very simply. Similarly, what is the next part of the question? If the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? Is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, can you find it? Can you find it? Is there any temperature which is equal in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? What will be the answer of this? So basically वो आपसे ये कह रहा है कि if x is equal to y, then what is the value of x and y? So very simple. We will put f is equal to c or x is equal to y in the equation and we will find out the value, and it is coming out to be minus 40 degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. So like this equation is solved. Now this chapter, this exercise is so simple. It looks very lengthy, it looks very big or difficult question, but it is very easy, right guys? So that was the solution of NCERT exercise 4.3. I hope you have understood all the questions. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed today's lecture, don't forget to give a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for more such math, science, SST and English videos. Also बच्चों, if you want to learn from your favorite master teachers of Vedantu, try out the amazing course of Vedantu AI Live, where you are able to learn maths, physics, chemistry, biology, SST में history, civics, geography and economics, and English only at rupees 9,000 for one entire year. And if you apply the magic of my coupon code SKEPRO, you get to pay only 8,100 for one entire year. Isn't that amazing? So get your personalized classes today itself under Pro Lite and Pro Classic. And what are the benefits of joining them? Well, you get live interactive classes sitting at your home at your own pace. You are able to learn from the teachers. You get 3D engaging content where you get GIFs and videos to explain each and every concept in a very easy manner. Verbal interaction in the form of unmuting and uncamming. You can ask your doubts. Interactive quizzes and test series. Doubt support by Vedantu's doubt solving mobile app if you buy Pro Classic. And regular All India mock test every month. Assignment for every chapter. Revision classes before your midterm annual exams. recorded classes of each and every lecture, handwritten notes, and ready-made notes in the form of Tatva book and parent-teacher meeting as well to discuss all your problems, right? With the Vedantu's improvement promise that if you feel your marks are not improved, all your money will be returned back. So try out the super awesome courses of Vedantu. The link is provided in the description of the video. Check it out and apply my coupon code SKEPRO to get a 10% discount as well. If you can't find out the link, let me also show you that where you can get it. So this is our video, linear equation in two variables. In this video, we have the link AI Live of CBSE Class 9th, and when we go to the description, you can buy the course at 8,100 for 1 year. Just apply my coupon code here, SKEPRO, to get the discount. Alright. Hi Divyanka. Hi Divyanka. Yes, yes, yes. I promised you and I will fulfill that promise. Don't worry. Alright, bachcho. So that was all for today's class. Thank you so much for joining today's lecture. See you all tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye everyone. Ta-da. Angel Beta, week quiz is provided in the description. You can play the week quiz. Okay. Thank you everyone. Bye guys.